Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new Kemei with the model number KM 1895. It's a hair clipper, so stay tuned, man. So, this is the box. Really brand new box from Kemei. Something totally different. So, as you can see here, this is not maybe you can choose from 3 colors. No, got something similar to StyleCraft. Got this blue color and 2 extra. I guess this one is the clear one, the transparent, and this one something like red or something like that. It's very, very good. Yo, so what this clipper got? This clipper got 5 watts, 3.5 hours charging time, and 200 minutes operating time. Yeah, it's a new box from Kemei. So let's open it. The manual. This one is already broken. So, clipper. Come to that later. And it's cable, charging cable, oil, brush, and guide combs. But let's see. Charging cable, and it's a USB Type-C. Oil, little brush, and the guide combs. 4 guide combs. Okay. So, and this is the extra plate. See, this one is the clear one, the transparent. This one is the, I don't know. So, nothing else inside. So I'm gonna put this one here, and then let's talk about this one. Yeah, charging port, USB Type-C. Okay, it's a flat one. It's a retro look, as you can see, and a floating lever. The range. It's enough. And taper blade with a Kemei logo on it. It looks like it doesn't feel good on the hand, but when you put it on your hand, somehow it feels good because your finger is resting here, this place. feels good somehow. Retro lever and the power button also are retro. Okay, sound check. And very smooth. See that? So let's make an RPM test with the stock blade. Okay. And to change this faceplate, you need to then you need to push it back a little bit. See that? Because of this place, it's like a hook. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is it, and let me try this taper blade on it. I tried it before and the RPM was a little bit more, just a little bit. So it's just a rough one. So the RPM. Okay. So the RPM without blade, I almost forgot. Okay. Okay. 3.2 volts, I guess. Yep.